Hello, fifth grade artists. So I know we are all virtual this week, but I do still have a fun drawing assignment for you fifth grade artists to do. And what we're going to do with this assignment is basically we are going to study and practice textures, okay? So I know by now we are familiar with texture and what it is, and it's basically the way that something looks like it might feel. Okay, so we've been practicing this a lot with our animal project because we've been putting in different textures from anywhere from a frog to a snake to things like a lion. Okay, so you have already had a lot of practice with texture. So now what you're going to do for this week's assignment, for your drawing assignment, is you are going to look around your house and find a couple things that you think have interesting textures. Okay, so I already went ahead, I looked around my classroom and I found a paintbrush. Okay, I found this really weird spiky plant, okay, and then also I have the texture of scissors, okay, so lots of different objects that you can just find laying around your house are going to have different textures, and all you're going to do for this assignment is you are going to practice using whatever materials you have at home. So lined paper is fine, white computer paper is fine. If you have a sketchbook, that's great, and a pencil or a pen is fine. Okay, so whatever you have available, and you're just going to practice drawing different textures. So starting with my paintbrush, I'm not going to draw the whole thing. I'm just going to focus in on the area that I think has an interesting texture. Okay, so there's this shiny part that's holding my paintbrush. I think that's kind of an interesting, smooth, metallic texture. And then, of course, the bristles, right? They have an awesome texture. So I am going to try my best. I am going to take my time, look closely at the objects that I am drawing, and I'm just going to try to show the texture. If you want to kind of blend and show shading, that's another awesome challenge you can do, kind of like what we've been practicing. I know you don't have your blending stumps, though, not at home. But this assignment will be great for you to get a chance to kind of practice more and more texture. And just like I always say, art is like sports. The more you practice, the better you're going to get at them. Okay? So I went ahead, I showed some value because I'm showing value in my animal in class. So why not practice this at home too? Okay? And that's kind of a way that you can play around and show texture. So I've got one example. I'll go ahead and show one more so you're not sitting here all day watching me drawing my demo. I am going to try this weird spiky plant. So it's got kind of an oval shape. And I'm going to add all these little spikies. Okay? So really look around your house. See what you can find. There are lots of different things that have interesting textures. Even something as simple as a pencil or a pen. They have textures too. Okay? And you can kind of practice drawing spiky textures, drawing smooth textures. Maybe you have a pet at home. What texture does that animal have at home? Then you're getting extra practice with an animal. Okay, so that is what you are going to be working on for this week's assignment. So after you do, try at least 2 different textures, okay? If you want to do more, absolutely do more. But do at least 2 for this week's assignment, okay? And I know I didn't finish my spiky guy, but just for the sake of time of our demo, that's what you're going to do, at least 2 different textures. And then you are going to sign your name right on your drawing, because that way I know it's your original work. You can give it a title if you want to. You don't have to, but I'm going to title mine textures, and I am going to say what I used. I just used paper and pencil. Okay? Then I'll take a picture with my Chromebook or with my phone, and I will post it to the Google Classroom. Make sure you're posting that image to the Google Classroom, okay? Don't email it to me. Turn it in right through our art Google Classroom, okay? Whether you're Monday's class or Tuesday's class, you have a different classroom, okay? Make sure you're in the 5th grade. Well, you should be in the 5th grade Google Classroom, okay? But just make sure you're turning in your assignment through there. That way I can give you the credit you need, okay? And once you do this assignment, you'll get 100. Okay? All right, stay healthy and happy at home, artists, and I'll see you soon.